glowing piece of American history. The 1955 Chevy Bel Air is more than just a car. It's a symbol of style, innovation, and timeless appeal. With its bold design, powerful engine options, and luxurious interior, this classic remains one of the most celebrated automobiles ever produced. If you are captivated by iconic machines that defined an era, join our community and explore the most legendary rides that still make hearts race today. The 1955 model year marked a revolutionary shift for Chevrolet, as the Bel Air received a complete redesign, introducing a sleeker, more modern look. The distinctive chrome trim, two-tone color options, and jet-inspired details gave it an unmistakable presence on the road. This was also the year Chevrolet unveiled the small-block V8 engine, forever changing the brand's performance legacy. Under the hood, buyers had a choice between a reliable 235 cubic inch inline-six engine or the groundbreaking 265 cubic inch V8. The latter, producing up to 180 horsepower with the Power Pack option, provided impressive acceleration and smooth cruising ability. Available transmissions included a 3-speed manual, an optional overdrive, and the Power Glide automatic, ensuring effortless driving. Stepping inside, the Bel Air's interior combined comfort with sophistication. Premium upholstery, chrome accents, and a spacious cabin made it a standout in its class. The dashboard was designed with symmetry and functionality in mind, featuring an easy-to-read instrument panel and a stylish steering wheel that added to the elegance of the driving experience. Throughout its production run, the Bel Air underwent several refinements, but the 1955 model remains one of the most beloved. It set the foundation for Chevrolet's success in the late 50s, with the 1956 and 1957 models continuing to evolve in style and power. However, the 1955 version is often considered the perfect blend of classic design and performance. Today, the value of a 1955 Chevy Bel Air depends on its condition, originality, and level of restoration. Well-preserved examples can range from $30,000 to $60,000, while fully restored. High-performance models can fetch well over $100,000. Given its status as one of the most desirable classic cars, its worth is expected to climb even further in the coming years. Owning this automotive masterpiece means experiencing a golden age of American motoring. The deep rumble of the V8, the stunning chrome details catching the sunlight, and the admiration from enthusiasts everywhere make this car an unforgettable classic. If legendary automobiles excite you, be part of our growing community and stay connected for more timeless classics that continue to inspire generations.